Ha ha ha! Look what's going on right now. It is now finally the APR is been loaded into the Shiba Swap, and look at these percentages. When I bury my SHIB, 39.06%. If I bury my LEASH, 48%. And if I bury my bone, it's 146.61. That's the annual percentage rate. Let's go ahead and talk about this a little bit more. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm so excited today. This is unbelievable. Now, the first thing you want to go ahead and do, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget. And the first thing you want to do, of course, connect your wallet. Connect your wallet. So I'm going to connect my Coinbase wallet. I actually have SHIB in all three of these areas, but I'm going to use the Coinbase wallet. Boom. You see how quick that was? Let me go ahead and zoom in so you can see this. You see the bone APR. Look at that. 39.06% of bearing your SHIB. Let me click on here and show you a little bit more closer. Now, I'm bearing over 3 billion Shiba Inu to earn more bone and Ethereum as well. Now, look at the bone APR, which stands for annual percentage rate, 39.05%. I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that percentages is because I just didn't know what to expect. I'm thinking 20, maybe 25%. I was not expecting that as well. I understand we're in a liquidity event. We have a couple of days left, but I still wasn't expecting that. Anyway, let's move on. We've got the ETH, which is the Ethereum annual percentage yield. And look at that number, 10447.07%. Oh my goodness, of the Ethereum, because we have all the Ethereum gas fees and the miner fees. And I know it's annoying. I'm paying them too. I'm tracking them too in my videos. I'm showing them. I'm paying these things. And I understand it's a process. It's a process for us to get to the top. We can't let these fees get to us because we're trying to go to the top, right? So I had to take a walk and drink some water and woosah because of all the fees I was paying. But I start thinking this is long term. And when you see percentages like that, it makes me feel a little bit better. And I hope it makes you feel better as well. Now, the SHIB APY is really good as well, 16.91%. And let me give you a comparison on that as well. Crypto.com, and I still have my Crypto.com. I still have my SHIB on Crypto.com. I still got about 90 left. I have 90 million left. Excuse me. I still have 90 million left. It's in a term. It's locked into a 3-month term, and I still have a few weeks left in that term. And really, I'm only getting about 3% back. 3%. I'm only get 3% back. That's what I'm getting back when I'm staking my SHIB on Crypto.com. And I come and look at this right here. Excuse me. But come look at this right here. 16.91%. Come on now. Oh my goodness. Anyway, let me just kind of back up a little bit because, oh my goodness. So this is not hype. I'm not hyping it. I'm not getting too excited. Well, I am excited. So I just wanted to show you this because I understand you're paying fees. And Binance, matter of fact, Binance percentages is not that much different from Crypto.com when you're staking. It's not that much different. You're not getting this. You're not getting this. So not financial advice. I'm not trying to tell you to move everything over to Shiba Swap, but you may want to consider doing it. You may want to consider it. I'm just saying. Anyway, if I'm burying my LEASH, I've got one LEASH, just one LEASH, and that's 48.48%. I do think, in my opinion, we should try to work up to get at least one LEASH. That's my opinion. Everybody may think differently. I think you should have at least one LEASH because I think LEASH is going to be worth something, in my opinion, because it has a low supply. And, you know, it's not that much left. It's like 100,000 of it out there. So it's good to have at least one LEASH. Now, the LEASH, when you're bearing the LEASH, the bone APR with the annual percentage rate, 48.48%. And look at the LEASH APY, its annual percentage rate of 3.16. Not bad at all. Now, you may be wondering, watching this video, I hope you're still watching, what are these APR and APY is? Well, I digged up a calculator, the Omni calculator, and what happens is you can actually calculate some of this stuff together. But I'm waiting to see if they're going to update more of this information here. I'm just going to wait. I'm going to be patient first. If they don't, then I'm going to add this up and we'll do it together. And matter of fact, the APY stands for annual percentage yield, called effective annual rate, EAR. Just to let you know. So let me go back to this as well. And look at this, the APR of staking your bone. I get that confused sometimes. Staking your bone. Staking your bone is 146.60%. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's good to, what it's showing me is really good to stake your bone. So the bones you're getting, it's good to maybe swap your SHIB to get bone or whatever. It's actually good to stake your bone because you're getting 146% APR back. And then your bone APY, which your annual percentage yield, is 34.57%. Oh my goodness. And if I look at what the APY stand for, or the APR stand for, annual percentage rate. Annual percentage rate. So, oh my goodness. So basically this money, this rewards is coming back to you just by staking and burying. That's all it is. Staking and burying. And don't forget, in 6 hours, we have more updates coming in the Shiba Swap. Well, Shiba Swap is going to update it, and I'll definitely do a video when this gets on there. I'll definitely do a video, and I just want to pay attention to this video, just the APR and APY. I do understand that there've been some other updates in terms of the Bonefolio. I'm going to do a separate video to discuss that. I want to just focus on this. I understand this is something that you've been wanting, I've been wanting, and stay tuned for more updates. I'm really excited to see what these numbers would become, and also what these numbers become in about 6 hours. So my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video today. It's a good day. I understand the price is low, so this may be an opportunity to possibly add more. I can't tell you what to do, but it is an opportunity to add more because the liquidity event will end in a couple of days, and after that, we'll see what happens. I'll do some videos to discuss what be some good moves to do after the liquidity event, but I'm really focused on this part right here. What's going to happen with the Wolfable Bone this week and the Ethereum this week? What these percentages going to look like? What is these numbers going to look like? So I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.